Hello everyone. So, today I'll be singing a song. And it's called Sun is Shining, Birds Are Tweeting. Okay, let's give it a shot. Sun is shining, birds are tweeting. We're all gonna have fun today. Yay. We're playing around, dogs are barking. We're playing around, we're having fun. We're going around, we see the sun shining, getting that tan. And we just wanna stay outside all day long and all night long to see you. 'Cause you never know what might happen tomorrow. So let's find out if we can. That's why they call it a surprise. And then we always go back for more. Because the sun's shining, the birds are tweeting, and the dogs are barking, trees are winging, and that's how we see our life. Well, if you like it, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. See you guys.